This one Chipotle bowl cost me $9.58.
That means 4 Chipotle bowls will cost me around $40.
I made 4 of them for under 20.
I had to take a trip to, yep, you guessed it, Walmart. I grabbed a bunch of cilantro, a pack of frozen corn, a bag of rice, spicy salsa, taco seasoning, 1 can of black beans, bone-in chicken thighs, cheese. I went with a taco blend, sour cream. I even had to make a second stop for limes. And we're still way under Chipotle prices. Just wait till you see the total price at the end. It's gonna blow your mind. Quick money tip before we cook. I didn't buy boneless chicken. That's a waste of money. Bone-in chicken, skin on thighs were $5.29, while boneless was $6 to $8. If you're willing to remove the bone yourself, you save money every single time. If not, well, you're paying for convenience. A little oil, taco seasoning, and straight onto the grill. Medium-high heat. Go ahead and add a pinch of salt for that extra flavor. Check out that crust. Let's get chopping. If you're interested in a Chipotle-lime rice recipe, check out my air-fried chicken fajita video. Beans just get warmed with seasoning, nothing fancy. We used leftover lettuce from my Big Mac video. We made 4 bowls of Chipotle for $17.39. That is minus the lime. If we add the lime, we are at $18.77. We definitely still have Chipotle beat. I ordered the same things we use from home. I made sure I didn't order nothing fancy, no guacamole, none of that stuff. Now let's see how this tastes like. Guys, the rice is so hard. This is horrible. Ew. Now this is our bowl we made. Okay, let's see.
It's over, ladies and gentlemen.
This tastes better than Chipotle, and my wallet's happy. Family, leave a comment down below which fast food spot was your exposed next, whether Taco Bell, KFC, or Wendy's, and I'm on the case. Check out this video right here. If you're into Big Macs, this video will save you a lot of money on Big Macs. My name is Christopher. This is Taste Bud Odyssey. Peace!